What's up, online shoppers? Are you going on a trip and you want a thoughtful handbag that gives you all kinds of convenient, thoughtful features and is anti-theft? I think I found an awesome one. Now this one here is the Travelon's Anti-Theft Classic Messenger Bag. Let's open it up and see if it measures up to my expectations. Now the Travelon bags have 5 points of safety design features, and I'm gonna go through all of them, but let's take a look at this first. This one here is black, and it's definitely their best-selling color, but it also comes in a really cool green color, a light blue. It also comes in a fun blue stripe color, midnight, which is kind of like a gray, a nutmeg color, and also navy. This is a classic messenger bag. The design of this bag is truly awesome. A messenger bag carries all kinds of things. Now the flap is just a design choice because it actually hides the function. There is a little magnetic closure right here, not anything massive, but just enough to give it a little bit of a stick so that it will stay closed and not flap up. Underneath here, you have a zippered section that you can use, and this is one of Travelon's really cool features. Their zippers have carabiners on them with little tiny clips. You can see the movement right there, and this clip is going to clip onto this little eye system right here. When you've done with your zipper, you can actually just snap it closed, and you can see how secure that zipper is. You aren't going to be able to open it until you've undone the clasp. Let's open up this zipper compartment and see. Now this zipper compartment goes all the way to the bottom of the purse. It's a nice size for sunglasses, for a notepad, probably even your cell phone could go in there. And then when you're done, all you do is close it up. Now the Travelon zipper lock is going to just clip right in here like this, and you've got a secure closure. We're gonna close that up and take a look at the top. The top also has the same security zipper where you have the clasp here that will lock right up top. Now let's open up the inside of the purse and see what's inside. This is also a really nice, thoughtfully designed purse. You've got this nice little lanyard with a flashlight connected to it. All you have to do is give it a little push and you have light. Now inside the purse, there are 2 little pockets that you can use to put things, and I love the detail of the dark stitching contrasting the light inside of the purse. It actually makes the pockets stand out. What would the purse would look like fully opened, and there is a view of the inside of the purse. There's also a zippered section right here that you can open up like this to put in some documents and other things, smaller things you'd want to keep safe. But the inside of the purse is mostly just an open bucket. Let's close this up. Again, it locks just like this. And then we'll take a look at the back. The back also has one of the secure zippers and a flap that opens out. Now this is the place that you would put all of your credit cards. Again, it's got that beautiful contrast piping on the section right here. And this section here where you would store your debit cards and your credit cards is tap resistant. And that means that nobody can come up and tap your purse with one of those machines that will pull money from your account. Once you're done with that section, you can just zip it up, and it also has the little safety feature right there, the locking zipper. Clip it in place and you're good. Now there's one other really cool feature on this messenger bag. On each side of the bag there are these little zippered sections that open up to hold a water bottle. Now as far as how you would wear this, you can definitely put it over your shoulder quite comfortably, and you have enough strap that you can actually make it a fair amount shorter. There we have the strap adjusted so that it's just a nice little shoulder bag. I really like where it falls and sits on my body, and the straps are really easy to adjust. Now these straps are part of the anti-theft technology that's in this purse. The straps are several layers of canvas thick, and there's also this really awesome reinforcing cut resistant stripe all the way along the external part of the strap. As well, when you flip it over, you can see multiple layers of stitching to reinforce the strap. It is awesome. As far as adjusting the strap goes, the metal buckles do slide really easy, so adjusting it to a longer length is also quite easy, and everything slides nice and smooth. However, it's not so slippery that you have to readjust the length. It has been really well designed to work in a lot of different functionality. As you can see here, I've adjusted it so that it will work as a crossbody bag as well. Hands-free if I need to, if I'm shopping, if I'm sightseeing. I've got the great option of my water bottle at the back. This is super thoughtfully designed. This women's anti-theft classic messenger bag really does measure up to my expectations. When I saw the descriptions of it online, I was hoping it was going to be awesome, and it really truly is. Everything from the nice design with a little magnetic closure to cover the business parts, the extra security of the locking zippers that just clip into place to prevent this from being opened unless the clasp is opened first. The great capacity of this purse in here with the contrast stitching for an extra design touch. It is really measured up to my expectations, and I am sure that this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.